Nobody told me love would be easy. Nobody warned me it could hurt this deep. Never knew it'd weigh this heavy. But the day you left, the truth cut me. I thought I held our whole world tight, tried to keep it standing through the night. I never loosened, never let it slip. But you saw love through a different lens, and you gave your heart to someone new. No words could bring you back to what we knew. So I just stood there, watched you go, clinging to the love you'd outgrown. So I will slow